Hi guys, today I'm gonna do the unboxing of this table. It's a deco glamour, nice coffee table, little small. It's in golden color. Metal table with removable tray. Top dimension is this. Contemporary metal table with removable tray. Deco glamour. So let's open the box. Okay. Okay, so this manual, I believe, has got 2 or 3 screws. Alright, so it's step 1, step 2. Let's build this table. Quite nice, looks good. Okay, so step 1 is just 2 tables like this, stands like this. Is there any other thing here? I think it's one like this. No. Okay. It's quite pretty easy. It's got 2 screws in it. So the bottom will come on the top. The screw will go okay. Either way you can put the screws, looks both way the same. Either from down or up, doesn't matter. One is done. The other one. Okay. I think I did some mistake. What mistake I have done? Okay, let's open this one. Step 1. No. Somehow it will go on top. I think I'm just putting the wrong screw. So let me try one more time. This is not balanced. So I think this is wrong, man. Look like. Okay, so this will come on top here. That's for sure. No, I don't know how to do this one. Alright guys, so I have to off the video here. I can't do it. I hope I'll follow the correct step, but I'll put the link in the description. If you want, you can order yourself this table. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.